Hey there, welcome back to our channel, Monkeys with a Passport. Today we decided to scout our own neighborhood. There's a lot of interesting stuff in Toronto. Toronto's an amazing, beautiful city, and we decided we'd take our camera out on a walk, and at the same time we get to show you guys what our neighborhood looks like, our backyard. We basically live in the Cityscape District, City Place District, and so we're going to walk around City Place District and then end up in Old Toronto, which is such a charming place and everything. So come along with us. We're grabbing our camera. It's a beautiful day so far. It doesn't stay that way. You'll see that it rains on us at one point, but it's really wonderful. I hope you enjoy what our city has to offer. We basically walked down Front Street after we've left Rogers Center area, and there's just a lot to see along Front Street, so it's a great place. As you can see, the Hockey Hall of Fame, wonderful, just wonderful. So as you can see, the weather did turn on us a little. It has begun to rain. It's not too bad. It's a summer rain, so we don't care. We just pushed on. We are so glad we pushed on and didn't stop our walk because the rain lasted maybe about 30-40 minutes, and then all of a sudden the skies cleared and look at this. We had a wonderful, beautiful afternoon after all.
Go.
The Roadhouse Park is just a nice, charming place to hang out.
You interrupt me and I interrupt you. A shame. When did we start losing and stop giving? I remember I gave it time, all of my time. Now my mind's lost in its thoughts. I want you want only you. But my heart's all tied up in knots. Wanna release it. 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 Do you remember when we carefully picked our words? So humble.
Yeah, the city does a fabulous job with its landscaping, making it very inviting for everyone to come and spend time around these neighborhoods.
Mind's lost in its thoughts. I want you want only you. But my heart's all tied up in knots. Wanna release it. 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 So we jumped, falling fast. Said till we die, I'm gonna be there with you. So we jumped, side by side, unafraid of what we can. Wanna release.
Well, this concludes our little walking tour of our neighborhood. We really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like and subscribe because we absolutely enjoyed showing you our backyard. Goodbye for now, and we'll see you in our next video.